back to my channel. So as you can see, I have started to decorate my YouTube room. This is not the final look. I just have this for now for the sake of this video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys 4 different modest outfits that you can wear for the spring.
So let's start with the headscarf. This one right here is one of my favorites. I've worn this over and over again, and it's from a company called Hijab. It's the perfect dusty rose. Next up, I have this vest that I've got from Modanisa. If you guys have followed me for a while, you know that I'm obsessed with their brand. I will leave my 20% coupon code down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this and saving some money. Now, my handbag is from Tory Burch. I've had this for a while now. I think it's just the cutest purse, the perfect nude, and it just goes with all of my outfits. This super cute blouse I got from Forever 21's website. It's so adorable. I love this detailing. You can tighten it, you can loosen it, pretty much very adjustable. And I believe it comes in multiple colors. I have this in a black and white, and I'm super obsessed with them. Okay guys, how cute are these wide leg pants? I mean, yes, I know snake print is not for everyone, and you know what? At first it wasn't for me either until I tried them on and then totally obsessed over them. And more than anything, to be honest, I just love the fit. It's so comfortable, I find it so elegant, and you can get this from H&M. If I'm going to be honest with you guys, I've been wearing this look over and over again. I just love how casual and simple it looks, to the point that I decided to rewear it for this video. The entire outfit gives me life. I just love the color. It looks so crisp and it looks so fresh. Let me know what you guys think. This jean jacket is from Forever 21. This sweater is from Nasty Gal. This is my first time actually purchasing anything from Nasty Gal. It's an online website, and surprisingly, it's really nice and very lightweight, although it may appear a little bulky through video, but honestly, it feels and fits amazingly. Alright guys, so this is my first time purchasing high-waisted pants, jeans, just because I find them to fit a bit too tight on my hips. Your girl got hips and they don't lie. So the fact that these jeans are wide leg, I absolutely love. And to be honest, I am wearing 2 sizes up from my true size. So this one right here is a 10 US for the sake of having a loose fit. My sandals are from Zara and my hijab is from Modanisa. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen this look over and over, and that's because I'm obsessed with these balloon sleeve sweaters and maxi skirts. I purchased this sweater from a website called Naked. It was actually my first time purchasing anything through them, and I was very impressed with this sweater. I pretty much got this in all colors available. And this skirt I purchased from H&M is the same print as the pants I showed you on a previous look. And my handbag is from a brand called Chloe. Alright, so we're moving on to the 4th and final look. And I have to tell you guys, I love this outfit so much, especially because of the pink and white combo. This super cute belt I purchased from Forever 21. The long sleeve white blouse is also from Forever 21. The cardigan is from a website called Niswa Fashion. My pants are from Zara, and you guys already know how much I'm obsessing over the wide leg pants lately. They are the most comfortable pants I own, and I kid you not guys, if you purchase this, you will thank me later. Last but not least, these sandals are from Forever 21. They're super cute, and at the moment they're selling these in every color: white, black, this beautiful dusty rose, and brown.
Loves, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and also got inspiration for your spring outfits as well. And last but not least, I'm so eager to tell you guys something exciting Muhammad and I are getting involved with. Maybe I'll share it Friday or the following week. I'm just so happy, and I know you guys will be as well. How about you guys start guessing on the comment section, and if you do get it right, then you win a prize. Let's do that. Let's keep it fun. If you get it right, then you guys will get a really cool prize. Start commenting right now. So with that being said, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you Friday. Salam, my loves.